Students, we are looking at IAS 33, the questions related to IAS 33. So these are good, challenging questions. Let's understand them so that we could make progress. So I'm looking at a question where I am required to calculate the theoretical X-right price. So this, whenever you are dealing with the right issue of shares, you will be dealing with the theoretical X-right price. Okay. So here we have this situation. The requirement is that we have to calculate the theoretical X-right price. This is used when we are trying to calculate the basic EPS. Okay. However, we are not dealing with a full-fledged question here. We're only looking at a theoretical X-right price. So let's look at the concept first. What does that mean? You see that when a company issues the right shares, so before the right issues are made, you see there is a fewer number of shares. But after the new issues, the right issue of shares, the number of shares increase. So the share price falls after the right issue. Okay, because before the right issue, there is an anticipation that some shares will be given at a slightly lower price than the market price. Okay, so once these shares are given, once these shares are allotted to the existing shareholders, the number of share increases and automatically the share price decreases. So this theoretical extra price is actually the price that is going to be a reduced price after the issue of right issue or the right shares. Okay, so they have given us the price for which the rights would be made. A company makes a 2 for 3, so they're going to give 2 shares for every 3 held and at a price of 2. So this is the price. However, the prevailing price is $4. So when this right issue was made, the market price of the shares was $4, whereas the right issues were made for half the price. So this is quite a significant encouragement for the existing shareholders to go for the right issues. Okay, so let's see. This is a very simple calculation which we will do, and we will have a good understanding of how to deal with this issue of calculation of theoretical extra price. So we need to see how many shares are there. So we are going to have this shares column, and we are going to have their price, and then we're going to have their value, that is number of shares multiplied by the share price. So the number of shares before the right issue, they say that the company makes 2 for 3. So existing, we have 3 shares. So we can say that the existing shares are 3, and then we have this 3 shares, and the price of those shares is 4, because the price before the rights was 4. So we are going to offer 2 shares for 3. So it means that right now we have 3 shares and every share has a price of 4. So the value that comes up is 12. And then there are going to be some new shares. So the new shares are going to be 2, and every share will be for a value of $2. So the value that we get here is 4. So the existing shares are 3, priced at 4, and that we get 12, and the new shares are 2, and they will be issued at a price of 2. So the total value is 4. So if we add the number of shares, so the number of shares are 5, and the value is 16. So the process to calculate theoretical the theoretical X rights price equals the total value, which is 16, divided by the number of shares, which is 5. Okay, so when we do that, we have the theoretical extra price. So we take the $16, we divide it by 5 shares, and we get the answer. Okay, so okay, let's just take away the shares part. You understand how it is coming up? Okay, so that is actually I have actually rounded these figures, so I need to unround them. So that is going to look as if it is 3.2. Okay. So this is how we do the calculation. So I hope this was not problematic. It was quite straightforward. We could just put it in yellow, so to make sure the people understand that this is the right answer. So I hope this is easy to understand. There are no issues. Yes, students, are we done?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. So let's see. Okay, there is a message. Excellent. So I hope you understand the concept behind allotting the right issues. And let's see.